guys, welcome back to another video, and today, let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm back on this game. Finally, a voice video. Well, how do you know the other video? I usually showed my voice, so that's why I'm doing this video like this. But, so, I'm not going to be doing any music in any of my vids right now, sadly. But I do have 2 bees, of course. Okay, give me that bomb. Okay, so just go to my thing. And let's go. If you don't know who I am, call me Twinkle Circle, or you can also call me Alyssa. Or anyway like that. Call me anything you want to. Because soon I'll be revealing my name. I mostly like to play Roblox games. I don't record that much with screen recorder, so I might suck. But hopefully this will be able to be sent to YouTube. I really want to use this. My friend on Roblox uses screen recorder. She's a very kind girl, so that's the reason why I mostly did this. So, okay, let's see. We still have to do more. Pollen, you need more. Come on, peoples. Work. Sorry, bees, but you need to work a lot. Yeah. Work. Okay, 4:16, honey. What's next? So, oh my gosh, that's a lot. What should we be able to do? What the heck is that? Okay, let me guess that. Royal jelly. Okay, fight me. Follow me in. Okay. Okay, then. Okay. So let's just follow this girl because she says follow me. Okay. Let's see what she's doing. I have 2 bees. Oh, she only has 2 bees! Ladybug! 2 ladybugs! Killing. Can you go in here? That was funny. Oh no, it took away all my phone. That's why I hate this game so much. Oh, then. Never mind. Okay, then, girl. Okay, let's see. Oh, 30 pollen. Like, wow. Oh, wait, I've never gotten that. I got that power up. Rest in peace. In this second. Mama second. Mother second. Okay, then. See what's next. Play with okay, my container is full. See what's next. Okay, I can't zoom in. I just want to zoom in. Well, I have 2 bees, so this will be pretty easy. This is like the best game for some reason to me now. So, how rare is the one I have? Oh, speed 6, attack 2. Okay. Oh wow. Good bomb. Okay. Wow. Let's see what we can get next for bees. Can't zoom in again. Okay. Which is the 2. It's a ladybug. Dude! Protect me, my ladies. Protect me, my bees. Protect me. I'm about to die. Wait, oh, I didn't do that. Okay, so I'm safe. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci gang. Thank you, my friends. Wait, so that must be, I can get over here for free. It's a free pass. No, seriously. It seems like it's a free pass. Oh. Why did I jump over there? Okay. Sorry if my videos are very cringy. I don't care sometimes because I'm just a cringer. Very cringy. Okay. Let me beat this lobby. See if I can still get to. If I can't get the royal jelly, but it looks like I can. At least it kind of looks like I can. It's a new to this game, sorry. Don't get sad at me. I'm just new to the game. Sorry, guys. OMG. Thanks. No problem. What the heck? You have over 40,000. Oh my gosh. Should I play some music? Probably. Wait. Oh, you guys probably will not play it, hear it. Because, screen recorder will just be sad. It will be sad. But chill, please. Hopefully you can hear the music, because I'll be looking at the video next, so. By the way, I'm not, voice might sound like I'm little, but I'm not that little, so sorry about that, guys. It's just screen recorder. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, guys. It kept doing the same thing over and over again. Okay, I'm done. Anyways, do you guys know what's your favorite type of bee, guys? Like, what's the favorite type of bee? Honeybee or any other bee like that you know about? What's your favorite bee? I'm only asking this because I want to know about you guys. Because my channel is just like, I did, never mind. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, then. Anyway. Okay, there we go. So, let's see what we can do! To another bomb. This game is very laggy. Oh, it's full. Okay, then. RFM! Okay, these people have a lot of bees. This girl has the most bees out of this whole place. So we're just gonna wait for this to fill up and everything with these two cute little bees. Okay. Little bees, little bees. Oh, wow. Wow, the bees finally done making honey. Okay. Oh, we can probably get something. It should be. Probably something that holds, okay. 30. This holds, 150 honey. That will be easy. Received jar. Why is it worth 600? It holds 750. This game is way too expensive. This is like snow hunt sim. Ugh, no shoveling sim. Why did I? Okay, I'm done. I don't have any Robux. Yeah. Oh my gosh. 4,000 Robux? Wow, who would buy that? It's just a scam and it would only give you 400,000 dollars. This creator really wants to make money. Like, dude. Did they mean to do that? They're going next to each other. Come on, little buddies. Come on. Oh, here. Oh my gosh! They're just randomly flying bees. Random flying bees. Cupcake? Do you know that some of your bees might be afraid of you? Okay. She only has like 5 bees, so. Oh my gosh! Save me from this giant ladybug! Okay. Why did I make that sound? Okay, I'm like, save me from this giant ladybug. It's like a... Oh wow, it won't kill me. This poor little ladybug. Poor ladybug. It didn't even do anything to... The heck? What is that? Challenging... sorry guys. Challenging obvious. Yes. I'm very scared about this. Okay, I'm done. Why am I making these sounds for some reason? Discovery B-type stays the same. No, I'm not gonna reset. I would lose all my progress except for my money. Oh my gosh, it's 2 rhino beetles! Save me, my bees! Save me! No, seriously, save me! Save me, save me, save me! Oh, save me from this ladybug! Why am I making those loud, strange music? Oh, forfeit. What the heck, bruh? Oh, thank you. More rhino beetles about to spawn. So let's see. Mamma mia. Pizzeria. So, let's see. Okay. Okay, who cares? Let me just collect all my poem and then I'm ending the video. Sorry, guys. But I wouldn't have enough things, so I would have to end the video, cause, yeah, sorry. Soon I'm ending the video, because I'm kind of lazy right now. I don't know what to do. So, sub to me and enjoy my vids if you wanna. Cause if you like to watch my vids, go ahead and just hang out by watching my vid. Okay. Do you have to get servers for B types? Oh wow, 4 blue bees. 4 blue bees. All blues. Wait, what? Wow, this is fun. Wait, I forgot resetting kills you. I thought resetting. What if it kills you? I forgot resetting